How to create a new account in Adventures Escape Mysteries. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are new to the game and want to save your progress, sync your gameplay, and enjoy a smoother experience, then creating an account is a great idea. First of all, launch open the Adventures Escape Mysteries game on your device, whichever device type you're using, and once you're inside this homepage, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. Now from the expanded menu, click on Player Account option. Go ahead and tap on Sign in with email, and on the next page, select Register. Now, go ahead and enter a valid email address you want to sign up with in the first field. Once you do that, head over to the password field and create a strong password for your account. Finally, select this little circle at the bottom if you want to receive emails about the new mysteries released. If you don't want to receive them, just leave it unchecked and tap on Register. Wait for a few minutes and your account will be created. So that is how you create a new account in Adventure Escape Mysteries. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.